Apollo Plus is the latest diagnostics platform from Snap-on. Snap-on designs, engineers, and builds the hardware to give you reliability, speed, and durability because we know how critical these tools are for the work you do. It's rugged, durable, and purpose-built for a shop environment. The large 10-inch touchscreen display is bright and easy to read indoors or in bright sunlight. The military-grade operating system and the wired connection means Apollo Plus is fast and reliable. It boots up in just 2 seconds and you're ready to get to work. No one covers more vehicles, systems, codes, data, or tests. This is true for domestic, Asian, and European makes. Select the demonstration Chevy vehicle and you'll see the Systems List menu. Snap-on organizes all information and bidirectional scan tool capabilities into this one menu by system, with the most common maintenance procedures at the top. You don't have to go hunting system by system to see what tests, resets, adaptations, and relearns are available. And because Snap-on products have consistent navigation across all manufacturers, you'll see this exact structure and layout on whatever vehicle you're working on. Select the code scan, then pre-scan option. The pre- and post-scan process are a great way to show your customers the work you did, help justify the diagnostics charge, and highlight any pending codes that might need attention. During a full code scan, the platform will run through a complete check of every system that's currently on that vehicle. This feature only shows you systems that are actually fitted, eliminating guesswork. The report automatically saves to the Snap-on cloud so you can print, email, or save a customer record. Select a code and you're now on the Intelligent Diagnostics landing page. Billions of repair records and hundreds of billions of vehicle connections make up this information. This gives you access to information from other professional technicians, and it's all been verified by Snap-on experts. Start at the top with the SureTrack Top Repairs graph, which shows commonly replaced parts and helps you see pattern failures based on confirmed repairs. This information is specific to the code and vehicle and broken down by mileage. You get instant access to all this knowledge. Scroll down to the OEM TSB information. The number in red shows how many bulletins and recalls are specific to this code and vehicle. Click to view them, and the TSB may offer new testing procedures, updated parts, or suggest a PCM/ECM reflash. Next up, we've got code-based data. Go straight to the data parameters related to the selected trouble code on this specific vehicle. Flags indicate which ones are out of range at idle. Using this custom-generated data list also optimizes the data refresh rate, critical when using the advanced graphing capabilities that have made Snap-on scan tools so famous. With your diagnostics purchase, you can expect world-class support. It begins with your franchisee supporting you week in and week out. The Apollo Plus from Snap-on.